Emebugum video, see you that now. Peter will be the odds stand against him in this election too much. That if I have soon to be him, I will just have to back off. Even at that ADC, Peter will be at the show no young their presidential candidate. In that ADC, Odibero show no young their presidential candidate. Because women they happen. PDP and where they are in this election, PDP and where they are, PDP doesn't even have candidate. Tinubu automatically abulugo flag bearer and the APC. Other parties who are coming up there. The best thing you should do now is to Google delege. No one on the outside decide no one on the outside decide they run for this election. Hapo let them do it. Man do get delege. Kidi hemenji ku ya no. Now Sunday Igboho onye alagba no moto gbanaho. Nke ndị Yoruba protagonist Peter Obi warning that he doesn't want to see Peter Obi in their state. No choro kobia. There's no declare go support for Bola Tinubu. Sunday Igboho kwesịrị ịnọnga. He declares the support for somebody. Na akwado ịbata ọchịchị. What other means ka Peter Obi would handwriting on the wall that he's not seeing very well to show him that the odds is stacked against him? Now see before you might poster in some states and so millions of naira. I'm still waiting to see that video when we come for more light and for the main video. Then we will be back we head him no be. Peter Obi okay. I like him Peter Obi more than every other person. The last election, Peter Obi can't I told you how I struggled to move my transfer my voters card from North to Lagos just to make sure Nantolia. Still able to my brother Ben I have to travel 1 to 2 hours. We just show that in. I walk to 2 hours, not 2 hours. Approximately, it cost me 6 hours to go and bring my voters card to the location I had to sign in Lagos. Still in charge toward the election. To show you how much I sacrificed for Peter Obi to rule in 2023. Man, I need fully Hemelon. Udole uno koko na ngwela you know Peter Obi win an election 2023. Man, I keep calling how I am. So biko. I went on and on. Kabaro Johnson Chala. Because now this election say if I don't show you for second danya. Don't show you for second danya. I am second kono basinketa kodekon.
First of all, there is no light. So I am not a happy somebody now. I am mad at everything. There is no light. There is heat. I'm not happy. Secondly, I just watched a video where Peter Obi is complaining that somebody said that he should not come to his state to campaign. Now, that somebody is Sunday Igboho. Now, Sunday Igboho came out and said, if you don't know Sunday Igboho, is the activist in the southwest that during the regime of Buhari, they came, DSS went to his house and he escaped. And he has been in exile, but he just came back to Nigeria. And now, he has identified himself with the APC and is working for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Fine. It's not a problem. But where the problem is that every Nigerian have a right to visit any part of Nigeria. Every Nigerian has a right to visit any part of Nigeria. So long you are not going there to commit a crime. So long you are going there to do what is lawful, you are free to go to anywhere. So you coming out to say that Peter Obi should not come and campaign, or any other candidate should not come and campaign in your state, that is an error. That is a threat. If you don't know, let you know now. Now, Peter Obi is free to campaign any part of the country that he like, because it's his fundamental human right. When Buhari was the president of this country, or not even when Buhari was the president, before Buhari became the president, when Buhari was top in collecting the power, the Northerners never says that nobody should come to the North and campaign. Nobody, they didn't say that in the North. That was not the case. People were moving freely to go and campaign. Why is it that now it's now a problem? They are now threatening another person not to come to your state to come and campaign. It is wrong. And as for you, Peter Obi, I want to advise you, because I listened to the video that you were talking about, that the government, everything that the government is doing, they are doing it because they don't want you to come. They don't want you to contest. Now, according to you, the problems that happen in Labour Party, the fight in PDP, even in ADC, that the court recently removed David Mark as chairman of the party, and they have put somebody else as the chairman of the party. And allegedly, they said that person is a friend to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and is a loyalist to Tinubu. According to you, you are saying that everything the government is doing is because they don't want you to campaign. Now, you went again to go and post Professor Charles Soludo. After his swearing in, you post him on your Instagram congratulating Soludo that they have swear him in. Now, you see that thing you are doing, you need to stop it, Peter Obi. Why I say you need to stop it is because anybody that don't like you, don't like the person back. Why are you doing that kind of thing? If somebody have shown me clearly that they don't like me, wallahi tallahi, I will forget the preachings of the Quran or the Bible. I will place the person as my enemy too. If you don't want to be my friend, I don't want to be your friend. I don't want you. Why are you posting Soludo congratulating him? Somebody that came out and say you are a fake somebody, that say they should not vote for you. His loyalty is with the president. Why are you not doing all this emotional thing that you are doing? It's time to play the game. Play the game of politics. The game of politics is not a game of emotions. If it's a game of emotions, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should be in Maiduguri by now, not in London. Did you see what happened in Maiduguri and everybody is in London? It's not a game of emotion. It's now time you need to mobilize your... See what you are doing. Tinubu have not even started campaigning. What you are seeing, everything you are seeing is Sheyi that is doing it. City boy movement is Sheyi. Tinubu have not started his own. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to follow the country the way the country want them to follow it. Start your own campaign. If they are paying money to campaign, you to remove money and pay now. It's not a time for emotions. For those of you that went to London, I hope when you went to London, you see how London is. That you can freely move in London and nobody will stop you. You are not scared of anything. Did you see how London is fine? Did you see how did you see any sand in London? Did you see any bad road in London? I hope when you come back, you are coming back to make sure Nigeria become like London. Both infrastructure, road, and everything, security-wise. So for you, Peter Obi, this emotion need to stop. This good man need to stop. Play the game now. Play the game. Negotiate now. Go and meet Atiku, tell him, come, look, let us negotiate. Let's see how we can do this. Please, as a Nigerian, you are free to go anywhere in the country and campaign as you like. It is constitutional. Somebody cannot come out and say, don't come to my state and campaign. Why will you do that? Why will you even say that? It is wrong. We should not take this country to that dimension that we are taking it. We should towards the corner of peace. This angle we are pushing the country to, wallahi tallahi, we are putting ourselves on a time bomb. The insecurity in the country alone is something to worry about. Thank God the Nigerian troops are getting some victories in some part of the north. This is the Nigerian army that we know. Nigerian army is one of the best grand army in the world. We're not supposed to be to be scared or something. Nigerian army is supposed to do the work. All we are supposed to be doing is for peace to return in our country. Instead of we are finding how peace will come, you are busy threatening your fellow citizens not to come to your state. The Oyo state that you are talking about, did you hear that bandits came to a place close to Challenge in Oyo, in Ibadan? They came to Ibadan and they took 2 people and 1 person was rescued. They catch 3 people, 2 people were taken away, 1 was rescued. This is the same place you are telling Peter Obi not to come. That is how Peter Obi went to Edo State after the APC chairman threatened him. Went to Edo State to go and campaign. Before to go and I think they say somebody decap or something, or what did they do in ADC? That they went to turn the Oyegu house. That's how they went to shoot them. Now you are threatening him not to come to Oyo State, and there is nobody in the north that have said Peter Obi should not come. If it is in the north that say Peter Obi should not come, you will be hearing that the northerners don't start to this. Why are you not doing this? Allah, don't take the country to the place that you are not supposed to take it. Let us toe the line of peace, please, please. Please, we are all Nigerians. We all have equal right. Please, allow Peter Obi to go and campaign where he wants to campaign. Allow Sowore to go and campaign where he wants to campaign. Allow Tinubu to go and campaign where he wants to campaign. Allow Atiku to go and campaign where he wants to campaign. Allow Kwankwaso to campaign. Anybody to go and campaign where they want to campaign. Me, I don't have a party. Let us play the game. It's just like the times that, what they call it, that is it to which club is that play with Madrid, that one of their player racially abused Vinicius. So why did Real Madrid people not say don't come to San Siro and come and play game? If you come there, we are going to do this. No, they allowed them to come to San Siro and they plugged them black and blue. That is fair play. That is how a game should be. That is how the game of politics should be. Let him come and campaign. If it's time for voting, if your people believe in your candidate, they will not vote for him. That is the game. Don't threaten him, say don't come. He's a Nigerian. He has a right to go to anywhere in Nigeria. Please, let us respect ourselves. That Allah, please. Let us not add to the problems that we are already facing. I just thought I should bring breaking news. My name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice Creator. Don't forget, because of the insecurity that is happening in the country now, Nigeria from number 5, we are now number 4 in the world, most dangerous country in the world, number 4. I can't believe this is the country I sleep and wake up every day in my life. I can't believe it, that I sleep in this kind of number, the 4th most dangerous place in the world. Wallahi, now God, they save me. Wallahi, now God, they save me. Oh, Kai. I saw that news, wallahi, I shocked. What most dangerous country in the world? Moreover. Anyways, I thought I should bring breaking news. May God bring peace in our country. During Ramadan, they did Bala'i. Now, I'm even scared if the Ramadan should just continue, because I don't know what will happen after Ramadan. If during Ramadan they throw bomb, that means after Ramadan, a rocket launcher. Oh. God, please save us in this country. Look at heat, the Allah. Look at heat. Bandits do their own, politicians do Sunday Igboho do his own. NEPA do their own. Their own is even the worst. What is the difference between the bandits and NEPA people, the Allah? What is the difference? There's no difference now, because you plan to kill me now. Look at it, the Allah. I'm the Spice Creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me, please. That is your business. But please, everything I have said in this video, from the beginning to the end, even when I get angry, is allegedly, allegedly,